Cynthia here once again on our August lesson for the Kitchen Garden School. And right now I'm going to talk a little bit about harvesting fruit trees, but to be honest, none of our fruit trees are really ready to harvest at the moment. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to thin this apple tree, because it's the same thing that you would do if you were picking this apple tree. It turns out that if a small tree has a lot of fruit on it, you need to help it out and determine if that fruit is going to be able to ripen up without breaking this apple tree. So you can either use a needle nose clipper or something else very handy, and just clip your apples here on the stem like this. You do not want to be pulling this spur off the tree, so you do not want to take hold of a fruit and then yank it off. You want that spur to stay healthy so that it will provide another fruit for you next year or the year after. I'm making sure that I'm taking the end ones. If there's more than one apple on a spur, I take the one that is going to get the biggest and maybe break that spur. You have to think about it like this. We are helping this tree to make better apples for our families. So we shouldn't feel bad about taking off these young ones, because it's only going to make these other apples taste better. And it will leave the roots in a more healthier condition than if we were to let all of this fruit ripen up this year. The other way to pick apples is to hold on to the stem like this and twist the apple off. That way you can see this is totally intact, not harmed at all. So either twist them or snip them and make sure that you don't harm the spurs. When it comes to harvesting berries, there's some differences between the different berry types, but I'm standing here in our blackberry display, and you can see this blackberry here still has some red on it, and it's not coming off really easily when I just give it a little tug. For these berries, you want it to just pull right off that center. If it doesn't come off, it's not going to be sweet and you might end up spitting it out. This is a nocturne blueberry plant, and it is a favorite of ours here at Cornell Farm and for many of our guests. You can see that there's many different colors that this blueberry passes through on its way to being ripe. The dark color is the ripe berry, and they are delicious. It is very easy to pick blueberries. I'm picking the fruit, giving it a little twist, and now I get to eat it. So delish. So that's what we have that's ready this week. So thanks for watching, and enjoy your harvest.